Hello, in this video we're gonna show you how to join Google Classroom on Motorola E6s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Google Classroom. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started. Select the account for this classroom. Now press on this plus button, join the class. In this pool right here, enter the class code. You should be provided with one, and after doing so, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.